Welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday. Today I am doing part 2 of my commission piece. So part 1 was doing a set of colors that my client wanted, and I did a open cup pour. And this was the result of that piece. I showed you that before. So now I'm using the same colors, but I'm going to do it with a swipe and spin. Again, I did a video a while back with these same colors, with the exception of using gold. I'm using silver this time, but she liked that swipe piece. So I told her I would give her 2 options she could choose from. So this is going to be the second piece. So let's get down to the canvas and get started. Be right back. All right, so what I've got is a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas. So as I stated in my intro with this commission piece, the client wanted 4 colors. We're going to go with phthalo blue. This is a combination of primary magenta mixed with a little violet blue iridescent from Pebeo Studio. Then this is a bright aqua green from Liquitex Basics. And she liked one of my other paintings that I used gold, but she's not a fan of gold. She wanted silver, so we're going to use silver. And then I am going to swipe with my cell activator, which is my Oxide Black and Australian Floetrol. So what I did in a previous video, which I will link, I kind of just did a little zigzag and then swiped over top of it. And I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm just going to kind of do it more off-centered. Use the spinner, going to give it a little rotation for a little bit, a couple of times around, and then I'll probably bring it off of the canvas and then do some tilting. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I'm going to put down some white. I think what I'll do is, let's just put down right here in the center. Spin this out this way. Like that. And then what I'll do is bring it down here. And what I'm doing is I'm just kind of spreading out my white base so that my paint will flow when it's time to spin. Go. Tell you what I'll do. Now I'll just kind of get edges here. Now that gives me kind of a little bit of a guide to go by. I'm going to give this a quick torch. I'm probably going to go back 2 layers of each color. So let's put down some blue first. I'm going to go here. Primary magenta over it. And what's going to happen is I'll get some black cells over top of the white, which is going to look really cool. Now, the silver, turquoise. So let's go back in one more time. All right. So next I'm going to just swipe right on through. I'm going to use a lot of cell activator on the back of my palette knife. So now I'm just going to load up my cell activator on the back. Got a lot of extra cell activator on the end because that's where it all started. So what I'm doing is just kind of dipping over here in it. Kind of use it. I love what's happening through here. The cells and the lacing's really looking good. Now, the trick to this is I'm not going to spin it a whole lot. We'll see what it looks like as it gets spun out. But what I would like to do is spin it like one time, maybe twice, and then I'm going to tilt from there. Let's give it an easy spin. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna pull this down off the spinner because I want to tilt. All right, so let's bring it down this way. Back. Just kind of opening this up a little bit. This is a great representation. We've got the brilliant cells coming straight through here and over down to the top. Just phenomenal. Silver is mixing well with the other colors. Just fantastic. So I'm going to clean up these edges and then I will bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, here is the wet result. So I think I like this orientation best, but it can definitely be turned in any direction that she wants. But let's start here with the negative space. Oh, the gradient cells is so cool in this, guys. What I love about this is this black cell activator, how it's working with the colors. Just great. And the silver here, just shooting right on through there. I love that. All right, here we are with the dried result. The colors are really beautiful, got some great cells and the great lacing. I just love the composition with the negative space. Let me bring you in. Okay, gang, that's it. So this is the piece. I have showed her the piece. She loves it, and this is the one she's picking. But I love how the colors play in this. I love the swipe and spin technique. It's just really abstract. I love how it kind of juts out here with the colors. The silver played really, really well with that black cell activator, so it's really nice. So now I got to talk to her and see what she wants to do. Does she want it varnished or does she want it resined? I'll keep you guys posted. But I love the swipe and spin technique. It's so much fun. Okay, that's gonna do it. Everybody, let's head back over to Feral Art, Kelly's channel, and she's up next in the tree. Everyone have a great rest of the weekend. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.